Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today I am announcing the 5 winners. I want to say this right. I've been saying, oh my god, I'm soon announcing 5 winners. And my husband is like, I don't think you'll be announcing that. So I'm trying to say it right. I'm sorry, but the 5 people that won my giveaway. But listen, you guys, so remember that in the previous video, I said that I'm going to announce it on the 15th, but then it occurred to me that, the giveaway ran from like the 2nd to the 15th included. So that's why I am announcing today on the 16th, and I'm very excited, you guys. Let's just get into it. This is going to be a very short video. I'm so excited. You have no idea, to send these items to you guys. The first, and you know what? I'm going to announce the winner. And then I'm gonna read their comment as well. I'm having, my handy dandy phone right here. And also, you guys, you have 48 hours to get back to me. You can message me on Instagram at mommybovision, or you can also email me. You'll find the email on my YouTube channel. Email me with your address and name, please, so I know where to send this. And let's the first, oh my god, the person that won this purse right here is Sherry Chavez. I hope I'm saying it right. Chavez or Chavez, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'm horrible at this. But Sherry, congratulations. You won this black purse, and you actually, let me pull up. You guys, I'm shaking. I'm not nervous in videos. I'm actually a natural. I don't know about that. But listen, I'm very comfortable to be in front of the camera. This video, I'm nervous. So let's see what Sherry said. Sherry Chavez said, congratulations on 500 subscribers, Marta. So glad the cheap chick Melissa recommended your channel. I'm a purse fanatic, so I'll be happy with either one of those. Hey, do you think that sucker thing would get rid of my wrinkles? Just kidding. LOL. No, I don't think so. I know it's a great tool, to clean your pores, but no, not for the wrinkles. Yeah, I wish, right? Okay, let's see. The person that won the suction tool, you guys, right here. The person that won the suction tool is Robin Backus. B-A-C-K-U-S. God, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Robin, congratulations. You won the suction tool. And what you said is, hello from West Virginia. I lived 20 years in Northern Virginia. We moved here in Texas, I don't know, 9 months ago. About 9 months ago for my husband's job. But I can't wait to move back home. Northern Virginia is my home. So, yay! I heard about your channel from Cheap Cheek, and I do believe I'm hooked now. Love the second person, the facial tool. It's yours. Stay blessed. Can't wait to watch and catch up on your other videos. Thank you so much, Robin. Thank you so much, and congratulations. I'm so excited to send this over to you. Thank you for your support and for supporting me, really, and for being here for me. I really appreciate it. The person that won the car vacuum, it's VC. And she said, congrats on the 500 subscribers, girl. Yay! And I don't care what I win. Love your channel. Heart. Thank you. Thank you so much, VC, for your support, for being here. And you won the car vacuum, and I'll be sending that your way. Congratulations. Now, the person that won the sheets, this one's right here. You guys know, I showed them to you in the previous video, is Kim. I'm not even gonna attempt. And I asked my husband, I'm like, maybe you know, because he's like born here and full American. I'm like, well, maybe, he's better at this, but he's like, you got me there. I don't know how to say your last name. Kim. Okay, so it's G-U-I-L-L-A-U-M-E. Kim Gillom? I don't know. I'm so sorry, but it's beautiful, but it's hard. I don't know how to pronounce it. So Kim, you won the sheets, and you said Congrats to you on hitting 500 subbies. Now on to 1,000. Love the 2 bags and the sheets. They're yours. I so love watching your videos. You have a beautiful family. Always. You talk about my family and I'm like, waterworks in here. You have a beautiful family. Always love to see the kids in your videos with you. Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for loving us, and we love you right back. Congratulations, and you've got the sheets. And last but not least, brown purse, the Mickey Can. Is it? Yeah, Mickey Can brown. It's kind of like grayish brown. I really don't know what color this is. Goes to Jessica Klein. Jessica, and this is what Jessica said. She said, first of all, Marta, your makeup is beautiful today. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, James and Matthew. These are my 2 kids. For those of you that don't know, James is my 7-year-old and Matthew is my 9-month-old. Or 10. Between 9 and 10. Oh, that's so horrible. Should I cut this? I'm not even going to cut this. God, man. No, 10. Yes, May 4th. He was born May 4th on Star Wars Day. He's going to be 1. Oh, mommy brain. Hi, James and Matthew. All great giveaway prizes. I'm so excited he hit 500. Before you know it, you will be at 1,000. When is your next video coming out? It's right after this, Jessica. It will be out tomorrow, most likely the latest the day after tomorrow. So this one goes today, Tuesday, the 16th, and then I'm trying to have one right tomorrow out for you guys. Can't wait. Have a wonderful week. Jessica, you did not mention what you like the most. You said all are great. So I hope you like this purse, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always saying hello to Matthew and James, and for loving us, and we love you right back. You guys, congratulations. The 6th item, you guys, is going to South Africa. It's a bed sheet. I only have the what do you call it, the pillowcase, but it's a whole bedspread. Goes to Nawal Satar in South Africa, and I explained in the other video why she got it. She got it because my 100th subscriber, her name is Laura, gave her gift to somebody else. She said she has everything and she would like for somebody else to enjoy it. So I know Nawal Satar will enjoy this. Anyway, so guys, congratulations, everyone. Once again, please send me a message on Instagram at MommyBoVision, and follow me if you haven't yet. I would really love to have you guys there so I can post updates on when my next video is coming. And also email me, you guys, with your name and address. Do both if you can. And yeah, congratulations, and thank you so much for all your support, you guys, for being here, for walking through this journey with me. I am super duper appreciative. I love you guys. Congratulations, and I am gone, happily gone, to send the items to my people soon.